Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing very well, and here I am coming with a new video on IIT Roorkee MTech Cutoff 2021 as well as 2020. Whatever I am showing you cutoff, it is completely based on student response, and IIT Roorkee never released any official cutoff, and last 2 years, 3 years there was no any official cutoff released at. So whatever I am showing you cutoff, it is completely based on student response. And one more thing, IIT Roorkee never conduct any interview last 3 year 4 year. They only takes on direct admission. Whatever you have a gate score, just you can match with this gate score, and if your gate score is close to it, then you can apply. And one more thing, suppose gate score is suppose packaging technology. Suppose here is showing you 584. Suppose if you have a gate score more than 500, then you can apply. It is not a necessity to exactly match with whatever I am showing you cutoffs, then you can apply. It is not a necessity. If you are close to it, then you can apply it. And if you are above, then it is very fine. You can 100% you can get a seat in IIT Roorkee. So come to the cutoff. Whatever I am showing you cutoff and packaging artificial, I am not going to tell each and every line by line. So whatever I am showing you the WECIN so it means artificial intelligence. WECINs are both these are the branches are eligible for artificial intelligence. And geotech RF and micro ECC, these are the branches are eligible for my RF and microwave. These are so many. You know that almost 30 to 35 specialization are running. If you want to see the how many seats in IIT Roorkee, you can go watch my previous video. I already made IIT Roorkee during the COP time. So I have covered 1, 2, 3, 4 round, and also I made a number of seats and number of seats are left. Then you can observe that how many seats in each and every department. You can go and watch my previous year's video. In 2021 I had covered all the videos and COP rounds, everything I have covered in counseling time. So you can go and watch all the previous year cutoff are also available, maximum number of IIT as well as NIT. Whatever I have a cutoff in previous year, just I uploaded it. Just you can go and watch it. If there is any problem occurring, suppose you are doubting, so how I can apply for so many IITs, just wait. Once the your result will come, then I will definitely guide you each and every student. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will 100% guide you without any charge. Now to the next slide. So these are the specialization, these are the student got on this gate score. CS computer science. Just I have a telegram channel, more than 900, almost 900 close to student are joined. You can go and join it, and also you can follow my Instagram channel, so Instagram page, and you can get all the update. If you here you can message me just only. And now come to the next slide. So these are the specialization, these are the student got seat in okay, MTech ECIN. So I am going to fast. Okay, MTech okay, and this cutoff I had in previous year, so that's why I am showing you. Okay, so these are the cutoff. I am going fast. Okay, we are not going to tell line by line. These are the cutoff. So many cutoff, so many specialization maybe miss. Okay, so these are the main specialization most of the student targeting, so that's why I am showing you. Whatever I have I did. Okay, so next I will make a video on further. Okay, if any update comes in IIT counseling, if you are any update just like IC Bangalore, if you want to, just like it is already running, so just you go and fill the IIT form. Whatever comes so just I will update you. If any counseling updates comes on in different IIT, then I will definitely provide you each and everything. Okay, thanks, keep watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, don't forget, you can get each and every update regarding counseling, regarding form filling. And one more thing, I already covered all the IITs how to fill. I think 2 to 3 IITs only left. I already filled line by line and step by step. You cannot feel very bad ki just how to fill. Yeah, if you are new na, I already covered each and everything, and you can fill step by step by. Suppose you are going to fill IIT Patna, so I already done na. You can just go watch my video and you can fill the form. Suppose IIT Patna release the notification, yeah, it is started, then you can go just online and you can you can watch my video. Just whatever I am saying you, just you can fill that like there is no any problem to you. Okay, thanks, keep watching, or just you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thanks.